Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my gadget kitchen. Today I'm making a lemon blueberry breakfast cake and I'm using my KitchenAid Artisan Mini and my Breville Smart Oven Air. I had some blueberries that weren't going to make it another day, so I decided to whip up this yummy cake so they wouldn't go to waste. Here are the ingredients that I'll be using, and I'll have the full recipe in the description box below. First, I'm starting by zesting a whole lemon. Remember, you only want the outer skin and not the bitter white layer. Next, I'm going to cream the zest with some butter and sugar. Once those ingredients are well incorporated, it's time to add 1 egg and some vanilla. Next, it's time to add the dry and wet ingredients, alternating between the two. Now it's time to coat the blueberries in some flour so they don't sink to the bottom of the cake batter. Here I am gently folding in the blueberries into the cake batter. Now it's time to add the batter to my cake pan that I have sprayed with baking spray. After spreading the batter into the pan, I am topping it with some granulated sugar. I tap all of my cakes onto the counter to remove any air bubbles. And now it's in the oven to get its bake on. I'm going to bake it at 325 for about 40 minutes. Here's what the cake looks like fresh out of the oven. And this is what it looks like when I cut into it. Be sure to let it cool for about 10 minutes. The kids were super excited to have cake for breakfast, and can you blame them? It was absolutely delicious. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. And as always, thanks so much for watching, and remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye!